Okay, in this video we're going to generate Pythagorean triplets, and so let's begin. Now at the end of this video I'm also going to kind of prove why this works. But in short, if m and n are positive integers and m is greater than n, then we can pretty much generate a bunch of Pythagorean triplets. Like for example, we know 3, 4, 5, that's 1, because 3 squared plus 4 squared gives you 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. But there's others like 5, 12, and 13. So if we want to just generate a bunch of them, we can use this nice formula. And so let's get started. And we're going to generate 3 examples. So first case, m is 2, n is equal to 1. Again, the condition says that m has to be greater than n, and both m and n are positive integers. So let's do that. So we have 2 times 2 times 1, so we get 4. Likewise, for this piece, we get 2 squared minus 1 squared. 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1, so we get 3. Last one, 2 squared plus 1 squared, 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we see an example, 3, 4, 5. That's an obvious Pythagorean triplet, but let's do more. So we have 2 times 3 times 2, and we know 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, so we get 12. Likewise, 3 squared minus 2 squared, 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. And then 3 squared plus 2 squared, so we get 9 plus 4 is 13. So another example, 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to 169, and the square root of 169 is 13. Our last one, 2 times 8 times 4. Then we do 8 squared minus 4 squared. Then we have 8 squared plus 4 squared. So 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 8 is 64. 8 squared is 64 minus 4 squared is 16. 64 minus 16 is 48. And the last one, 8 squared is 64. 64 plus 16 will give us 80. So if you do 64 squared plus 48 squared, you're going to get the same as 80 squared. Now here's a little proof. We obviously know if you have a right triangle, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So if you take this piece and you square it, so that's why I wrote it twice, take this piece, you square it, is equal to this piece, you square it. So m squared times m squared is m raised to 4. M squared times negative n squared, you get negative m squared n squared, but negative n squared times m squared, you get the same thing. That's why we have negative 2. And negative n squared times negative n squared is positive n raised to 4. Likewise, 2 times 2 is 4, m times m is m squared, n times n is n squared. And then same idea for this piece. But we can simplify a little bit. Negative 2m squared n squared can be removed, but we'll reduce this 4 into a positive 2. And so now we see it's an identical match. And that's pretty much it for this video.